Want to make $100 or more per task without leaving your house? There's a hidden world of online gigs where people are cashing in big, doing things they actually enjoy. From unexpected side hustles to high-paying freelance work, these 7 websites can turn your skills into serious income. So, stick around. First up, Oatmeal Studios. If you have a knack for funny and creative greeting card ideas, you can earn $100 for every idea they accept. No need to be a professional writer. Just send in your best, lighthearted ideas, and if they like it, you get paid. If you love finance and investing, Motley Fool will pay you $140 per article about stocks and financial trends. No hourly rates. Just write short 600-800-word articles, and you'll earn solid cash for every piece that gets published. Next, we have Listverse, a perfect gig for list lovers. Write a fun top 10 list article on bizarre, mysterious, or historical topics and get $100 per accepted post. It's great if you enjoy writing but don't want to spend hours on long-form content. Are you a tech-savvy freelancer? With Envato Tuts Plus, you can create coding and tech tutorials and earn $100 per quick tutorial or $250 per in-depth guide. If you know Python, JavaScript, web development, or digital design, this one's for you. If you're a skilled writer, check out Make a Living Writing. They'll pay you $150 to $230 per article about freelance writing, blogging, and marketing. If you've ever made money writing, share your experience and get paid for it. Got a great voice? Voices.com is a freelance voiceover platform where you can make $100 to $2,500 per gig recording ads, audiobooks, podcasts, and even video game voices. All you need is a good microphone and a clear speaking voice. And finally, Textbroker, a great option for freelance writers of all skill levels. Get paid per word, and you can earn $100 plus for longer articles. As you build experience, you can set your own rates and make even more. Want more freelance jobs? Watch this. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more remote job tips.